Hey guys, this is HackTech. In this video, you're going to learn how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So once you have installed VirtualBox, you can go ahead and follow the steps that I'm going to show you right now to install Kali Linux. Now keep in mind, I am doing these steps from Windows computer, but you can follow the exact same steps on any operating system you have. To download Kali Linux, I have provided the link on description. You can download it from there. I want to highlight something, guys. I am downloading customized Kali Linux because it is smoother and faster than original one. It fixes a number of bugs and also it contains number of extra programs that we need to make for ethical hacking. So if you have a 64-bit, you can download it from here. If you have a 32-bit, you can download it from here. I have already downloaded this file. So now I'm going to open it. You can find the file here. This file will be .ova extension. So we have the file name followed by .ova. To import this in VirtualBox, all we have to do is literally double click the file, as you can see. This will automatically run the file in VirtualBox. You will get a window. Just you need to do import. Import is done. Now I'm going to show you how to modify settings of your virtual machine. For that, you need to click on your virtual machine, then click on settings. Go to system. You can find here base memory. You can set this less or more. I have a 2 gigabytes. 2 gigabytes is enough for your computer. It will not cause any pressure to your system. Then go to processors. I have 8 CPUs here. You can also put one, but it will be very slow. So put 2. Then go to network. Attach it to NatNetwork. I got a name as NatNetwork here. Some of you may not get this name as NatNetwork. To solve that problem, there is a link on description. You can open that link and solve your problem. Then click on OK. I already mentioned, guys, this is customized Kali Linux. So your username and password is already created. Your username will be root and password will be tour. To start your virtual machine, click on your virtual machine, then click on start. Click enter. Username is root. Password is tour. That's it, guys. In upcoming videos, you're gonna learn basic commands of Kali Linux and how to use this Kali Linux for ethical hacking. If you enjoy this video, want to hear from me again, to be sure to hit subscribe button before you go. Thank you.